Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a 2014 Chrysler 200. I'm going to show you how to change your headlamp bulb. To change it, you need to get the wheel turned out, and you're going to need 7mm. So if your car missing the fender liner, you can go ahead and skip this video to the part where the fender liner is removed. But this car missing some part of the fender liner, because you can see you have a hole right here. You're missing the splash guard for underneath the right there, and you're missing the clips that go here. You're missing the clips that go here, and this 7mm right here not touching. So you just need to take off all these 7mm right here. So far only 2 of mine are touching. So I'm just gonna take these 2 out. I have one right here, and underneath there you have the clips. They need to take out these clips. So basically what you're trying to do is take the front part of the fender liner off, because at the top it's these fender liner, they come in 2 sections. So you take them off. At the top, as you can see, that's where the other sections start. And also it's the same thing for the Dodge Avenger. Same car basically. It's the same car. Get it to focus. Alright. As you can see, the front part is coming off. Just need to take out these 2 screws right here. Normally it would be 3, but down here it is messed up, so just 2 for now. So I got all the screws out. Go ahead and take this out. So that gives you access to under there. As you see right there is where your bulb is located at. And there go your bulb right there. You want to squeeze this part right here. Unplug it. And twist it and take it out. Alright, so I got it out. And this is a, let me see. It's a 55-watt bulb. It's a 9012. So the bulb number is right there. Alright, so let's get the new bulb and put it in. So guys, this is the bulb. It's 9012 LL. So go ahead and take it out. Let me get back under here. That's the spot I'm trying to reach. just gotta play with it till it falls all the way in. Twist it around like that. So that's locked into place. Now it's time to plug it in. Alright, so that's locked into place. So now you want to get your cover and put it on. That should be really easy. Spin it around until it falls right in. Alright, so that's the position it needs to be when you go in. As you can see, you have a little lip right here. You need to keep the lip right there. After you push that all the way in, go ahead and turn it clockwise, and then it lock into place. And now it's time to put on your fender liner. So get back your fender liner. You want to put it up and lock it back into place. Alright, so I got everything back into place. As you can see, the screws are take out and all the clamps. So after you do that, you want to go ahead and turn on your headlamp, make sure it works. So that's what I'm gonna do. Turn it on, and yeah, it worked. Yeah, it works. So thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.